Yes, we try every Amazon wig over here, and welcome to my series where I've tried these wigs and I tell you what they hitting for, okay? All right. Hey, best friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Sin and I wear and make wigs, okay? So today video is sponsored by Unice. They did send me this wig and I am here to see what it's hitting for, okay? This is a 13 by 4 water wave glueless wig. It is pre everything. So it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, ready for you to put on. And it does have tape on it, okay? This is their breathable cap, and this is what the lace looks like on my skin tone. So myself, I like to customize my wigs a little bit more, and you're gonna see the hairline when I put it on. I did go in and pluck it a little more and gave myself some baby hairs. I am gonna go in and cut my baby hairs a little bit more, but as you can see right here, I'm cutting the lace as well because I don't want that straight line on my forehead because it's easily clockable, and I naturally have a widow's peak, so I'm basically making one right here. Once I cut the lace, I am going to go in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I love to put this on there because it literally matches my skin tone perfectly. And this little brush is from I don't know where this brush is from, maybe Elf or NYX, I don't know. Just get you a little brush, it don't even matter. But look how it's blending into my skin, like it's looking so good. Okay, now I'm not gonna keep that tape on there. I was gonna keep that tape on there, but when I peeled the tape off, the plastic part, paper part off the tape, the entire tape came off. So oh well. So I like to use my Red by Kiss spray. This is my favorite spray to use. I have it in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. And I spray it, blow dry it until it gets tacky, lay the lace down and blow dry it until it's fully dry. And I do that for both sides. So after the first layer of adhesive is done, I'm going to go in with Boho Active, and I like to put the smallest amount on the edge of my lace. I'd like to do this because of the fact that I feel like sprays don't lay down my edges of the lace well, and so I like to do this so my lace just won't be flapping in the wind. You feel me? I cannot stand when I see the lace up in the front of people's hairline, so I like to go in, especially if I'm doing the glueless method. This is the smallest amount of glue that I'm going to use, and that just that much. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray, put some on my fingers and press it into the lace. And once I do that, I'm gonna take my melting band and I am going to melt for as long as I can. I think I probably did like 20 minutes. I didn't do it too long. And I am going to take it off after that 20 minutes, and she is looking good. Look at it. It's just melting right in there. Now, I will say that this lace is pretty good. Like, this lace is decent. I like to style my hair off of my head, like when I'm plucking and doing baby hairs. It just makes it easy. So I ended up having to cut it, but I accidentally cut too much baby hair. So I'm just gonna fix it and just sweep it into the actual hair. And yeah, and that, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. But she looks real good. I'm impressed for this to be Amazon wig, and for it to only be around $220. Like, I'm here for it. So my thing is, I like to have fluffy baby hairs, so I am going to use a little bit of spray, let them dry, and then I'll typically go in and comb it out. I did off camera wet my hair and put Cantu whip mousse in my hair to get the curls to pop, but the hairline looks amazing. Like, what do you think, friend? But anyway, this is what the hair looks like after having some mousse and water in it. I saturated the hair, put and let it air dry or towel dry a little bit, and then I put the mousse in it, and this is what she came out looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is longer than 24. I'm 5'5".